If you are NRI and wants to invest in Indian mutual funds from your local bank account, you don't want to pay taxes in India and want superior risk adjusted return, then this video is for you. This video is about NJ Global Opportunity Fund. Its investment objective is to generate superior risk adjusted return by following the principle of dynamic asset allocation portfolio. Investment is in Indian mutual funds, debt and equity funds. Foundation of DAAP is made on two principles: asset allocation and portfolio construction. In asset allocation, actively managing the asset allocation across equity oriented mutual funds and debt oriented mutual funds. That is, when the market risk is high, the asset allocation towards equity shall be low and vice versa. Portfolio construction. There is a huge difference in performance of equity oriented mutual fund schemes even over long period of times. The gap in returns between top quartile funds and bottom quartile funds is between 12 to 15% on a compounded annual basis. Because of vast experience of NJ Group over a period of last 20 years, NJ has developed the ability to choose the fund managers who may deliver above average returns in the long run in the Indian mutual fund industry. Active asset allocation and superior scheme selections shall allow the fund to offer superior risk adjusted return. NJ Forte. 20 plus years of experience of NJ Group in Indian fund management industry, truly independent and unbiased, disciplined and scientific investment allocation approach rather than arbitrary or emotion based, very powerful manager selection process, investment in highly regulated and cost efficient funds, consistent and proven track record. Key features: type open-ended public fund, it is direct fund, domicile Mauritius, currency USD, fees and expenses, management fee is 1.5%, placement fee up to 3%, investment manager NJ Global Asset Management Limited, exit load 1% if redeemed before 1 year from the date of investment. Let's see performance. 6 month 18.62%, in last 1 year 14.29%, last 3 year 3.12%, and since inception it has given 7.22%. Return is in USD terms. This is current fund portfolio and current asset allocation: equity 33%, debt 63%, and cash 4%. Benefits: ease in operation, no requirement of PAN card, no requirement of NRE NRO bank account, transaction account not required, ease in compliance, no filing of tax return in India, no intermittent bank hassles as redemption money is transferred to its origin bank account, tax benefit, no capital gain tax, no TDS, capital gains from the alienation of units of Indian mutual funds continue to be exempt under the Indian Mauritius Tax Treaty. For investment, you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. Thank you.